Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a budget with Capital One step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Capital One account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one by visiting the Capital One website. Once logged in, navigate to the Tools section on the main dashboard. Click on Budgets to access the budgeting feature. Select Create a Budget to get started. You'll first need to set your budget period. Choose whether you want your budget to be monthly, bi-weekly, or another time frame that suits your needs. Next, enter your total monthly income. Be sure to include all sources of income for an accurate budget. Now, move on to the expense section. List all your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and loan payments. After entering your fixed expenses, add any variable expenses. This can include groceries, dining out, entertainment, and miscellaneous costs. Once you have entered all your expenses, review the total against your income. You may need to adjust your figures to ensure your expenses do not exceed your income. Consider using the suggested categories provided by Capital One for more guidance. After adjusting, set savings goals if you wish to allocate funds to savings each month. Capital One allows you to establish specific savings targets for better tracking. Once everything is in place, save your budget. Your budget is now ready for review. You can monitor your progress under the Budgets section in your account. Make sure to regularly update your budget as your income or expenses change. Review your spending habits periodically to identify any areas for improvement. Capital One's budgeting tool will offer insights and tips based on your financial behavior. Utilize these insights to refine your budget as needed over time. Congratulations, you've now created a budget with Capital One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.